Okay, so I can just do it all at once. Let me do it.
Take 3.
Is that like on the, am I on the right path? Cool.
Perfect.
Are you leaving now? Oh God, no. Posture okay? Good. Okay, I'm ready. I need to do that again. Okay. True. Okay. How do I start that? Let me start over. I'm like looking at you, but no. Oh, I would have gotten her food. I'm sorry. Don't make a blooper reel out of me, please. Blah. Blah. I was too talkative. I kept saying the same thing over and over and over. Why did I keep saying that?
Signs, lockbox.
Yeah, I get that, but like, why did I keep saying? We will also go over Austin. We will also. Wait, Sean. Let me start over. At major intersections, my duck. I'm having such a hard time right now. We will also discuss, we won't even discuss it. We will all, and just other aspects. No, I want to add in social media. Can I add in social media?
Absolutely.
I said marketing and I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, I'll say your home. That sounds better. After your home is listed, and lead listing specialist. That's Carlos, right?
It is.
Good. I tried to like breathe, but then I forgot. Thank you so much for joining us. Join. This should be the easy part, right?
You're done.
Bam!
That was it.